Hello children, hope you all are great. In today's session, we are going to read a chapter from Living English book. So let's proceed. Chapter number 5, Going to School. This is the name of the chapter. In this chapter, you will read about the children who lives in a village and they face many difficulties, means despite of facing many difficulties to reach the school, they are happy. They reach the school on time, they have fun, and one most important thing, they love their school. So we are going to read about it. Here activities given on this page. Trace the path Ali, Ruma and Jose take to go to school. Write the name of your school. First of all, you have to mention the name of your school. And in this picture you can see three children are shown, like this Ali, Roma and Jose. And you have to trace the right path, means different paths are given. You have to trace the right path which all three of them will take to reach the school. Alright, so you have to do it on your own. Now let's read the story. Vasu and Rita live in a village. So children, here you can see two children and they both live in a village. Okay, not a town, not a city, they live in a village. They go to school in their village. As they go to school means the school in that same village where they live, and they both go together to school. Vasu and Rita walk to school. They both go to school by walking. They come out of their house. They cross a bridge. So they have come out of their house. Here you can see. And they cross a bridge. Children, here you can see a bridge. Bridge means a structure that is built over a river or road to allow people and vehicles to cross from one side to another side. Okay, from one side to other side. So here you can see that they both come out of their house and they will cross a bridge. Okay, they climb over a fence. Climb means to go up. All right, and fence means wooden wall. Here you can see this is the fencing. Okay, wooden wall. So they will move up, they will go up over a fence. Why they are doing so? Because they are going to their school. So children, here you can see they are facing so many difficulties to reach the school. And the most important thing is few words are circled. These are words to learn, children. So you can also circle the words. Vasu and Rita go up a hill. Now they will go up a hill. They run down the hill. After going up, they will run down the hill. Okay. They reach their school on time. So they means they both reach their school on time. Janak Kaka rings the bell. Here you can see Janak Kaka who rings the bell. All the children go to their classrooms. As the children have reached their school on time, so all the children go to their classroom. They are sitting properly. They read, they write, they do sums and they draw. So as you used to do in the school, okay, means you people read, you people write, you people do sums, okay, you draw. So in the same way, these children are doing the same thing. During lunch break, they have their lunch. Then they go to the playground to play. So during lunch break, what do? They finish their lunch. Then they go to the playground to play. They all have fun. So here you can see in this picture, children, they all are having fun. They are playing in the playground. They all are happy. They love their school. So this was a chapter that children faced so many difficulties, means Vasu and Rita, as they both live in a village, and they face so many hurdles to reach the school, but still they are happy and they are enjoying, they love their school. Now let's move on to the back exercise of the chapter. We'll start with A part, write true or false. Vasu and Rita go to a village school, true. Vasu and Rita take the bus to the school, false. No. They reach school late, no. False. They love their school, true. These question answers will be done in notebook, children. C part, read the words on the word wall. So here you can see wall is given, means words are written on this wall, and you have to read all the words. After reading it, you have to make a words. Okay, you have to make words on your own, like walk, chalk, bell, cell. Then D part, write one more word from the box for each group of words. Here you can see one help box is given and words are written, like these are sari, rabbit, teddy, guava and rose. So children, words are related to different categories. Okay, and a group of words are given like ball, bat, top, doll. These words come under the category of toys. Okay, and of same category, means which word can be there of, you have to choose from the help box, like teddy. Teddy is a toy, so teddy is written over here. Then the next is apple, mango, pear and banana. These all are fruits, and here from the help box you have to choose the correct one, like guava. Guava is a fruit, so guava will come here. Then marigold, lily, lotus and jasmine. Here these are the names of flowers. So which word can be there of? That is rose. Okay, because rose is a name of flower. So you have to complete this on your own. E part, read the words, number the actions in this picture. Here you can see that number of actions are being performed by the people. Okay, so here some of actions are written, like play, talk, push, wash, throw and climb. Like here the solved example, like children are playing, so that's why number 1 is written. Second action is talk, where this action is being performed. Here people are talking, so write number 2. Then 3, push. Then 4th, wash. Here you can see a lady is washing the clothes. Throw, this girl is throwing. This is going to number 5. Then climb, the boy is climbing the tree, so this would be last, means 6th one. In F part, what do we do? Filling the blanks with words from the box. Here help box is given. See, like play, swim, read, write, peel and sleep. So the number 1 is we dash a book, we read a book. We dash a bicycle, we ride a bicycle. We swim in a pool. The last one is we peel an orange. Okay. G part, what sounds do these animals make? Filling the blanks. So here help box is given, means the names of sounds are written, like croaks, chirps, quacks, brays, clucks, trumpets, and you have to pick the correct sound for the animals given below, like a donkey brays, a sparrow chirps, a frog croaks, a duck quacks, a hen clucks, an elephant trumpets. Okay, this I part is cut. Let's write. Look at the pictures and write about Rita. Here you have to write about Rita, like Rita can read, Rita can dance, Rita can play, Rita can climb, Rita can tie her shoe laces. Okay, children. So you have to write it on your own. Then the K part is cut and L part is homework, children. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.